Hello students, in this video we are going to solve cube root of x cube plus 5x square minus 1. This is equals to square root of 5x square minus 2 and divided by 6. Here we will find out the value of x and x belongs to real number. In left hand side we have cube root and in right hand side we have square root. Here we will apply substitution method. If we substitute cube root of x cube plus 5x square, this is equals to a, and square root of 5x square minus 2 divided by 6, this is equals to b. And here in left hand side square root, so that's why b is greater than equals to 0. Here if we take cube both side, then cube root of x cube plus 5x square, this is equals to a, and if we take power cube both side, then this cube root and this cube is cancel out. X cube plus 5x square, this is equals to a cube. And here if we take square both side, in left hand side 5x square minus 2, this is equals to 6, here not b, here 6, and this is equals to, in right hand side we have b square, 5x square minus 2, this is equals to 6b square, and 5x square, this is equals to 6b square plus 2. And here value of 5x square is a cube minus x cube. This 5x square is replaced by a cube minus x cube. Then a cube minus x cube, this is equals to b square plus 2, because this 5x square is replaced by a cube minus x cube. Then here a cube minus x cube, and in right hand side we have 6b square plus 2, 6b square plus 2. Now here this expression is a minus 1, and this is equals to, this expression is b. This implies value of a is b plus 1. Now this a is replaced by b plus 1. Then here b plus 1 bracket whole power 3 minus x cube, this is equals to 6b square plus 2. Now if we take this x cube in right hand side, then this is plus x cube, and in left hand side b plus 1 whole cube, and 6b square if we take in left hand side, then here minus 6b square, and this plus 2 if we take in left hand side, then here minus 2. Here b plus 1 whole cube, b plus 1 whole cube, and here minus 6b square minus 2, minus 6b square minus 2, this is equals to x cube. X plus y whole cube, this is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. This x is replaced by b, and this y is replaced by 1. Then b plus 1 bracket power 3, this is equals to this x is replaced by b, then b power 3 plus y is replaced by 1, then 1 power 3 plus 3, and x is replaced by b, then here b square, and y is replaced by 1, then here 1 plus 3, and this x is replaced by b and this y is replaced by 1 bracket power 2. b plus 1 whole cube, this is equals to b cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3b square is multiplied by 1, then 3b square plus 3b is multiplied by 1 square, then we get 3b. Here this b plus 1 whole cube is replaced by b cube plus 1, b cube plus 1 plus 3b square plus 3b minus 6b square minus 2, this is equals to x cube. Then here b cube plus 3b square and here minus 6b square, then we get here minus 3b square plus 3b and here plus 1 and minus 2, that is minus 1, this is equals to x cube. Here this expression is b minus 1 whole cube and this is equals to x cube. Now if we take both side power 1 over 3, then in left hand side we have b minus 1, this is equals to x. Here 5x square, this is equals to 6b square plus 2. 5x square, this is equals to 6b square plus 2. Here b is equals to this minus 1, if we take right hand side then x plus 1. 5x square, this is equals to 6, b is replaced by x plus 1, then here x plus 1 whole square plus 2. 5x square, this is equals to 6 times x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2 times x plus 2. Then 5x square, this is equals to 6 is multiplied by x square, then 6x square, 6 is multiplied by 1, then we get plus 6, plus 6 is multiplied by 2x, then we get 12x plus 2. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then 6x square plus 12x plus 6 plus 2, that is 8, minus 5x square, this is equals to 0. 6x square minus 5x square is x square plus 12 times x plus 8, this is equals to 0. Here this is quadratic equation, that is x square plus 12 times x plus 8, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Value of a is 1, value of b is 12 and value of c is 8, and quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a, then x is equals to minus b is replaced by 12, then here 12 plus minus square root of b square, that is 12 square, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 8, and divide by 2 times a is replaced by 1. Then x is equals to minus 12 plus minus square root of 12 square is 144 minus 32 and divide by 2. X is equals to minus 12 plus minus square root of, here 144 minus 32 is 112 divided by 2, then x is equals to minus 12 plus minus this square root of 112 is same as 4 times square root of 7 divided by 2. In numerator if we take common 2, then here minus 6 plus minus 2 times square root of 7 divided by 2, then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then x value is minus 6 plus minus 2 times square root of 7. Here we have two possible values of x, that is first value of x is minus 6 minus 2 times square root of 7 and second value of x is minus 6 plus 2 times square root of 7. Here notice that this value is approximate equals to minus 11.2915 and this value equal to minus 0.7085. But look carefully, we have b is equals to x plus 1. b is equals to x plus 1 and here b is greater than equals to 0. So if this b is greater than equals to 0, it means this is positive. So it means x plus 1 is also positive. Then if we add here plus 1, then this value is less than 0. And if we add plus 1 here, then this value is positive. So x is equals to minus 6 minus 2 times square root of 7 is rejected. Because x plus 1 is positive, but here x plus 1 is negative. So that's why x value is minus 6 plus 2 times square root of 7. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and thank you.